Okay, hey everybody. Welcome to Happy Hour Sundays, but this Sunday it's a little bit different. Normally we do it live, and this episode, as much as it looks like it is live, it is not live. We knew that this weekend we would be leaving town and we're gonna go camping, enjoying those awesome cocktails that we showed you last Sunday. And we knew that we were going to be out of reception, out of all the stuff this technology needs to make the live videos. There's none out there, so we left town. So we wanted to have a little something for you today to enjoy, even though we were out of town. And then, of course, next week we're going to be live again. Okay. If you guys hear the clinking in the background, that's actually Tiki over there. Tiki was basking in the sun today and came in and to kind of cool off and get some snacks. So he's hanging out up on his house. He might let out a couple squawks here and there. Who knows, right, Tiki bird? So, anyways, one of our viewers, Jane, recommended a cocktail that we do, and it is the Bloody Mary. And I'm super excited because we're going to show you how to make a Bloody Mary and doll this baby up. It's probably one of the most versatile cocktails you can make. Definitely clean out the fridge type of cocktail too, and I'll show you what I mean, okay? So let's go ahead and jump in to this Bloody Mary for you, okay? All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our shaker cup here, and we're gonna add in some some lemon juice, and we're gonna do a half ounce of that. Let's go ahead and toss that baby in.
Lime.
Did I say lemon? Yes. I read lime, said lemon. It's lime. Sorry about that one. Next thing is we're going to do some barbecue sauce. So this one here we're getting locally. We know some people that know some people who gifted us some of this beautiful barbecue sauce from here locally in Portland, Oregon. It is awesome. Everything I've had so far, the Portland ketchup is probably what you know them most for, the Portland Ketchup Company, but their ketchup's awesome, their barbecue sauce is awesome, and their yellow mustard is awesome. And I think they also have the Worcestershire. You guys know what I'm trying to say. They have their Worcestershire sauce available too. So, you know what? As many things as I've cooked and many cocktails that I've made, so on and so forth, this company does some great stuff. So, anyways, reach out to them if you need anything. They are awesome over there. We're gonna do a half ounce of barbecue sauce. There we are. Perfect. Let me get a little baby spatula there. Get the rest of that in there. There we are. Awesome. We're going to do 2 dashes of Worcestershire sauce. And bang. There we go. Ooh, where's my lid to that? Disappeared somewhere. There it is. All right. Couple ounces of vodka. There wasn't a bigger bottle to choose, apparently. Oh my God, look at this thing. The two-hander. All right, so we're going to do 2 ounces of vodka there. Okay. And one more. Perfect. And 3 ounces of the Bloody Mary mix. Now, the Bloody Mary mix that we're using today is the Blue Crab Bay Company. This is out of Virginia, and they actually have real ocean clam juice in this, okay? So this is that premium Bloody Mary mix, and I do recommend it. So we're gonna do 3 ounces of this. Look how thick that is, how awesome. Oh yeah, and this tastes and smells awesome. It's not all, I find with some cheaper Bloody Mary mixes, they're going to be more acidic, and they almost smell more vinegary. This one is not the case. There we are. Yeah, it's really good. And it's got a little bit of spice to it too, which is even better for this, okay? All right, now, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, add in our ice, and shake this baby up. Ooh, that was a big clump. There we are. Perfect. All right. So with these Bloody Mary mixes, Bloody Mary cocktails, I should say, you can actually make this not only with vodka, but you can do gin and other light tequilas as well, tequilas and rums as well. So, you know, anything that's lighter will go really well in this. So you don't necessarily always have to have vodka, and you can kind of play around with it however you want to, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and give this a nice shake for about 15 to 20 seconds. This is a part where I'd normally bring Bruce in here to float across the screen, but he's upstairs. Is he down now? Is he on his way? Hi, Bruce. There he is. And Boots is upstairs right now. Hi, what's up, kiddo? Mwah. Thank you for the kisses. All right. Bruce has some new teeth coming in. He looks like a little shark because he has all 4 of his canines still in his mouth, or all 4 plus the new 4 coming in. So he has just teeth everywhere. It's crazy looking. All right, so let's go ahead, toss that in. And we're going to top this off with a little bit more ice, okay? Now, here's one of the fun things about Bloody Marys. All right, you could very well just have this as is. You have your Bloody Mary, and they're going to, you know, you'll see this in the restaurants. They're going to toss in your celery, call it a day, right? That's for losers. No, kidding. No, this is a fun thing about Bloody Marys. You can do something as simple as that, or you can even get crazier and really dress this thing up however you want. You just have to keep in mind, you might have to make a little room. Which is not such a bad thing. So, what I have is I have some beef jerky. Yes, some spicy beef jerky. We're going to use that. We're going to use, and this is what I mean by you can clean out the fridge. I had a little bit left over from lunch. I had a turkey bacon melt, so we're going to put that on there too. Okay, so I've got my skewer. I'm going to go ahead and start off with the celery. Okay, so we'll go with that first. Next, let's do some jerky. Perfect. I have to get that way down there because this is going to get crazy. All right. Famous Dave's spicy pickle. Heck yeah. What else are we going to do next? How about the sandwich? Should we do the sandwich? No, I'll do the sandwich last, right on top. Let's go with an olive. There we go. Oh, yes. There we go. Olive. Bam. Jerky. Boom. There we go. Now we're talking a little bit more celery. Oh, yes. I'm going to cut that celery down just a little bit so it can fit in the glass. Just do the same with the top one. There we are. All right. How about, let's do, I'm losing my jerky. Back on the stick. There we go. All right. Let's do another pickle in there. Nice. All right. Perfect. And to top it off, I'm gonna have to go from the top down. Look at that. Yes! Yes! Look at how ridiculous this is. This thing's gonna overflow. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, man. A little bit of jerky on top. Oh, my gosh. You could add so much. You could add even more stuff to this. This is insane. Look at that, you guys. How about that? It tastes the same, but it tastes so much better all at the same time. This is what I love about Bloody Marys. What other cocktail are you going to do this with? You know what I'm saying? I mean, you could do some mango in there. You dancing, Tiki? Oh my gosh, even Tiki's excited about this. Boom. You knock it out of the park every single time. Even if you don't like the drink, you can just make a whole meal outside of it. Put some shrimp on there. That'd be perfect. All right, you guys. Thanks so much again. Hit that like and subscribe. Make sure to share the love. Share the channel with your friends and family. Our happy hour is 3:30 Pacific time every Sunday. This is probably one of the very few times we'll ever have it pre-recorded. So we look forward to seeing you live next Sunday. And if there's a cocktail that you want to see, and again, thank you, Jane, for your recommendation on the Bloody Mary. We've had a blast making stuff with that. And also, if you have a recommendation for a cocktail, hit us up. We love to hear from you. And also in the comments and things, put things that, how do you like your Bloody Marys all dressed up? You want a chicken wing, some tacos, maybe some jalapeno poppers on there? I don't know. I want to hear all about it, though. So anyways, you guys, thanks again for joining us. Cheers, and we'll see you next week, 3:30 Sunday Pacific time. Awesome.